This is a tutorial on how to use the load position command in a Joomla article to pull in the contents of a module. In this particular example, what we have is an article, and we're going to use the load position command to pull the contents of a slideshow into our article. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is I have a slideshow that's already set up over here in my Module Manager. So we're going to go to Extensions and Module Manager. And I'm going to go to my slideshow. As you'll see, I already have my images in here. I have 3 of them. They are all the same size. Have my styles set up. Everything's ready to go with those. They are enabled on all pages, although they don't show on all pages because we don't have a position set. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a position. I'm just going to call it small slideshow, small underscore slideshow. And I'm just going to go ahead and copy this. And I'm going to click Save and Close. And it could be any position you want. You don't have to have small slideshow. It could be any name, as long as it's a unique name and it is not found as an existing position. So just make up a very unique name for it, and that's what we're going to call from within our article to insert these contents. So I'm going to click Save and Close. And I'm going to go over to the Article Manager, and I'm going to select my article. Here's my article. It's just a bunch of text. So I'm going to hit Enter a couple times, and I'm going to type in left brace, load position, and it's all one word, load position, a space, and I'm just going to paste in my module position, which was small slideshow, and then I'm going to do the right brace. And I'm going to show you what this looks like without any more configuration. So I'm going to click Save. I'm going to go over here to my article and refresh. So now we have a slideshow, and you'll see it does not allow the text to wrap around it. So let's go fix that. In order to have it wrapped, I actually have to go into the code view and add just a little bit of code, and it's really just styling. So I'm going to go in here and kind of single out where my load position is. This is just the HTML of the site. So if I want it to be, say, floating to the right, I'm just going to add a div tag, and then style equals quotation, float. Oops, I misspelled float. Colon, right, and semicolon, the quotations again, and I'm going to close my tag. Whoops. And then I'm going to go over here and close the div. So that's just a little bit of styling to allow our text to wrap around it. And I'm going to go ahead and go to Save, and let's go preview and see how this looks. And there it is over a little bit. I did add a couple of breaks in there earlier, so I'm just going to take one of those out to make it look a little better. Let's see how that looks. Yep, I could probably take the other one out too. Let's go down here. I have an extra somewhere. Ah, there it is. Save. I'm going to go up here and preview. And there's my slideshow. Thank you.